In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily zip a folder. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, this is the folder I want to zip. But before I can zip this folder, I will need a software called winrar. So I'm going to leave a link to winrar down in the description below so you can easily access it and download it. Because for you to do what I'm going to do in this video, you're going to need winrar to do all of that for you. So you're going to have to download winrar. Like I said, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. So what you want to do now is that you want to right click on your folder. Once you do that, you can easily click on the add to achieve, and like I said before, you can only do this if you have winrar, so be sure to download winrar. And you can easily click on the add to achieve option right over here. Once you do that, you can easily give your folder a name. If you want to give it a name, if you want to leave it like that, you can leave it like that, but be sure to select the zip option. It's much more easier. And you can then click on the OK option right over here. So once you do that, it's going to zip your folder. And there you have it. You have successfully zipped your folder. And to show you that it really works, I'm going to move this folder somewhere. Let me throw this folder in my trash can, or let me just do this, create a new folder and place this folder right over here. So as you can see, if I extract this zip file, it's going to give me that particular folder. Let me just click on the extract here, and as you can see, there's the folder I extracted earlier. So that's how you can easily zip a folder in Windows. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.